ready to unlock the secrets of blockchain and build your own digital ledger from scratch. This video is your express ticket to understanding blockchain technology and crafting your very own basic blockchain. Using Python will break down the core concepts and provide a step-by-step guide to build this. First, we'll define what a block is, the fundamental building block of any blockchain. Think of it as a container holding data, which in our case will be transactions. These transactions will contain information and are the records that are added to your blockchain. Next, we'll dive into creating transactions, representing the data you want to record on our blockchain. We'll explore how to structure these transactions and prepare them for inclusion in a block. We'll then tackle hashing, the cryptographic magic that makes blockchain secure. We will be creating unique fingerprints for each block, ensuring its integrity and linking it to the previous block. The hash value of the previous block will always be stored on the next block, which secures the blockchain from modification and is called a chain. Consensus mechanisms are key to decentralization. We'll implement a simplified consensus algorithm to simulate how nodes in a blockchain network agree on the validity of new blocks. This algorithm can be anything from proof of work to other consensus algorithm options. Finally, we will explore how to store these blocks on a decentralized server to create your very own cryptocurrency. By the end of this video, you'll have a functional blockchain and a solid grasp of the principles behind this groundbreaking technology. Make sure to subscribe for more in-depth tech tutorials.